Come on. It's okay. Come on. Come on. Come on, babies. Come on. This is how I like to integrate my chickens with the others. At first I like to let them out by themselves, get a feel for the area, and then later I'm going to go ahead and integrate with the chickens, but I'll make sure I will be there because you never know how they're going to be acting. So, but yes, here they are. What you doing, Hannah? Bless you. You got allergies? Hmm? You got allergies? It's okay, I'm right here with you. You're safe. You're safe. Yeah. Are you getting brave, Max? Hmm? Are you getting brave, puppy? Are you a brave boy? Can you crow for everybody? Look at him go. His first adventure. That is so cute. Be nice. Big old crow just flew over. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. It's just a crow. It's just a crow. It's just a crow. Come on, you can come back out. Come on. Come on. It's kind of funny they're staying right by the edge right here. Hi, Kiki. Ooh, they're getting brave now. So my two little boys that I've gotten, I named them Max and Moritz. They were two little boys out of a story, a little story in Germany that I grew up with, and they all got into mischief all the time. So I just really liked the name, so I'm going to call my two boys Max and Moritz. And Dove is doing really good with her babies. When the baby gets a little bigger than that, I'm going to let them out too. So she's taking good care of them, and she start laying again too. So I was very surprised, but she's still taking care of those babies. Dove, Dove. Yeah, I'm a good mama. Yeah, I'm a good mama. And the babies are green eggers, so they're going to be laying green eggs. They're enjoying the grass. And I got my big ones locked up for right now, so they kind of get a feel for them by themselves. I don't have to worry about the other chickens yet. So they get a little free roaming today. have gotten so big. My sweet babies are getting so big. Hi, Hannah, Hannah. Hi, Hannah, Hannah. Do y'all like being outside? Yeah. I like being outside. And by the way, I came by the other day out here, and this one right there. No, it's the other one. Sorry. I have. Where's another one? Where's another one? No, that's the one. No, there it is right there. That one right there in front of the door out there is a boy. And I have, there's the other one right there. I have two boys. I have two baby roosters here. So they were having a crowing contest with Duke, and then they were taking the turn. So it was really funny. So my experiment, 8 out of are 2 roosters, and the rest are girls. So 6 are girls and 2 are roosters. Not bad, I guess. But the old ways was just not quite right. But that's okay. So the first step right now, the way I integrate them is I let them out by themselves so they get a feel for the area. So when I let them out together, I make sure I'm there with them, and so if it gets really bad, I can intervene. But this is a good way to get your baby chickens that are ready to go outside. Well, they're not babies anymore, and for them to integrate with the other chickens. So, and it's just safer that way. But yeah, they are getting so big. I will be looking for new homes for my boys, because I cannot keep 3 roosters. But I really haven't decided yet if I'm going to go ahead and find a home for Duke, or if I go ahead and find homes for the babies yet. So I really haven't made that mind up yet. They are so pretty. Integrating chickens for me is very stressful, because they're going to do what they're going to do, and with the pecking order and everything, they're going to have to find their place. So integrating chickens it takes a lot for me, at least. If I had a bigger place, they have more room to get out each other's way, but having only the space that I got, I just do it this way, and it seems to work pretty good to me. There you go, Hannah. Let me know how y'all integrate your chickens. I would be interested in it. But stay tuned for them, and follow to see how they're all doing, and I will keep you all updated on how it goes with integrating with the chickens. I will make another video for that. But for today, this will be it, and this is the first adventure about going outside out of the run, and that's a big step for them because they're all kind of a little skittish. They're staying pretty close to home here, so unless and the only ones I got some brave ones that go here and there, but the other ones are staying kind of very close to home. There's my other boy right there. Hi, baby. Stay tuned.